What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another episode of Just the Tip. This is 12 o'clock here, and today we're talking about brake cleaner. Not any brand specifically, but just brake cleaner in general. Everybody knows that this shit really cuts through some grease. You can take paint off with it. Sometimes you don't want to take the paint off with it. It'll just bubble the shit off. One thing specifically that I found out about this brake cleaner, if you've ever worked with this stuff, any kind of spray foam insulation, and ever tried to go back and use the can, well, you know that that's just pretty much impossible after you've used it once or twice. Well, I found out that the brake cleaner actually disintegrates this stuff, and unfortunately I'm about out, so I don't know how much I can show you, but let's give it a shot. So I mean, now that stuff's just falling off. Yep, look at that. Look at that. It just falls right off after it gets that brake cleaner on it. And if you've ever messed with this stuff, you know that that does not come off. If you get this stuff on your hands while you're messing with it, get some brake cleaner, put it on your hands, and wash your hands off. This stuff will all come off. And that was just a tiny bit of brake cleaner. That bottle has nothing in it. There you go, guys. There's the little brake trick cleaner. Brake trick cleaner? Wow. Well, there you go, guys. That worked really good. Brake parts cleaner. Take the spray foam stuff right out of your way. It's pretty cool. Alright, guys, that's it. This is 12 o'clock, and remember, I can't guarantee you'll work. This is just the tip.